Today I'm sharing some really beautiful jewelry pieces with you, and they are from the brand Linjer. I have shown these to you before, and they're just really great quality items that are going to be here for years to come, that are really nice and simple, but yet very luxe feeling, so you can wear them daily. I do want to thank Linjer for sending me 5 jewelry pieces and a jewelry case to share with you guys. So I have some really beautiful jewelry pieces to show you. So let's go ahead and get started. So they have given me a code to share with you guys. It is Amanda Perkins. I will put it on the screen. It will also be in the description box for you guys, which will give you a special savings if you use that discount code. Also, I have a link in the description box that will show you all of the pieces that I have shared with you in previous reviews as well, along with the newer items that I'm sharing with you today. So you can click on that link, see all of the pieces that I've shared with you. Also, you can go to their website and see all the other beautiful pieces that they have. They are just introducing some charm necklaces, which are very beautiful, but those did release after I placed my order, so I don't have those to share with you. So I want to show you how they package their pieces, which has changed from when I first started receiving Linjer. They used to have pink packaging, and then now it has changed to blue, and I think it's really royal and rich looking. And then I also wanted to make a note that they are a sustainable company. They try to use recycled gold and silver when they can, and they also use sustainable packaging. And then also they can give you this luxe jewelry at more affordable prices because they sell directly to the consumer online without having a middleman, so they cut out the cost. So they can give you really beautiful pieces at more affordable prices. So this is how the jewelry is packaged. You have this beautiful bow, and then when you open it up, it does say just for you, and then it said designed for thoughtful individuals, people who curate their lives and the objects they own. Our timeless jewelry is made with sustainable materials and ethical manufacturing practices, yours to love for years to come. So this is really beautiful if you want to present this to somebody because it's really packaged really nicely. So if you have birthdays, Valentine's Day, anything, any special occasions, graduations are coming up before we know it, then this is really special to present someone with this. And then it has this envelope packaging as well that I'll get into. And it also says the finer things in life every day. And then you also have the little pouch that feels really nice and has the gold Linjer on there. So very beautiful packaging. So everything that I'm going to be sharing with you today is in gold for May. They also have sterling silver, and they also have solid gold. The solid gold is a little bit more expensive, so the more affordable pieces are the gold for May and the sterling silver. So with the gold for May, it is a sterling silver base, and then they plate it with a 22 karat gold on top. So this material is actually 5 times thicker than gold plated, and it's 100 times thicker than a flash plating. So the first thing I want to share with you is this necklace. It is a mother of pearl necklace, and it has this square pendant shape, and then you can see the chain is this really nice dainty chain. I'm going to put it on in just a minute. I turned down this front lighting so you could see. I hope you're really being able to see this mother of pearl. I'll also put some close-ups so you can get a really good idea of what this beautiful necklace looks like. So it is adjustable. You can adjust the length on this one. So this is how it looks on. It's absolutely gorgeous, you guys. Look at that. It's so pretty. So this is adjusted as long as it'll get, so you can get it a little bit shorter. If you want to have a stack, you can do it a little bit longer and then maybe have like a flat chain on top of this, but it's absolutely stunning. So this is the mother of pearl tag necklace, and it's in that gold vermeil. I love how this is so simplistic. So it is something that you can wear daily with anything. Like I have just a regular casual hoodie on, and I can wear it with that. Or it could be something that could be dressed up. If you have like a special occasion dress that you have on, then this will look really good with that. And then I also have these rings that I cannot wait to share with you guys. There are 4 different rings. You can stack them if you want to. You could wear them individually. You can wear them all at the same time. It's just up to you how you could wear these, and they're all made in the gold for May. So I will show you each one of these individually and show you how they look on. And then also there's this case right here, which I thought was so cute for traveling. So it's in this cognac color, and just look how small it is. So this is really nice if you want to just throw it like in a weekender bag, if you are going away for the weekend, or if you're traveling and you don't use a lot of jewelry when you're traveling, then this is perfect. So the first ring that I want to share with you is this baguette ring. It's called the Trina, and as you can see, it's got this braided detail on the side and this beautiful baguette in the middle. Again, this is in the gold vermeil. I'm going to show you some up close overlays for you as well so you can see, but this is so beautiful, and you can see it's not real thin, but it's just so delicate and great to stack. I'll show you some of these stacked together, but I want to show you each one of these individually first. So I got this one so it could fit on my middle finger if I wanted it to. It's got the braiding detail, I hope it's focusing, right here, and then that baguette in the middle. Very beautiful. And then you have the twist ring, which has this twisted look all the way around. It's called the Dagmar. And so you can see this. I'm just going to stack it with the baguettes so you can see what that looks like together. And if you can see, the twist on both of these are very similar. They're a little bit different, but they do complement each other real well if you want to stack these together. This one is so pretty stacked with the baguette. So you've got the baguette at the bottom and then the Dagmar right here above it. And just look how beautiful that stack is. And then you have the braid ring, which is called the Lena. And you can see it's a little bit thicker. Let me get the twist ring off so you can see a side by side. You've got that braid look on this one, the braided one, and then you've got that twist look. And you can see the twist is a little bit thinner than the braid one is, but I'm still gonna stack all of them together so you can see what they look like if you wanted to stack them. Again, that baguette is at the bottom. Then you've got the twist right here and then the braided one. And that's a good side-by-side comparison so you can see the difference in the twist and the braid, the size difference. But they look so good stacked together. And then the last ring is the wrap ring, and it's called the Series. So here's an up close of this one. I love this one, you guys. So I got the correct size for me so that I could wear this on the middle finger because I love how that wrap ring looks. So here you can see how beautiful that is. And then I'll just put all of these back on together. So here are the 3 rings, the braided ring, the twisted ring, and the baguette. And then here's the wrap ring right here. So pretty. I love the detail of this one. It's just so simplistic, but beautiful. And again, this is the jewelry that's going to last for years because it is that gold vermeil. So it is made out of the really nice material that you can do your daily activities. You can wash your hands, you can get in water, whatever, and you don't have to worry about anything. And then here's that beautiful mother of pearl tag necklace. All of this jewelry is so beautiful. So again, I just love sharing Linjer Jewelry with you guys. They do have some of the best quality for that gold vermeil, so you're not getting that gold plated or that flash plating. This is real sustainable jewelry. So also don't forget to use that coupon code. I'll put it back on the screen again. It's in the description box for you guys as well, along with the link, so you can look at all of the jewelry pieces that I have shared with you guys. And I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, I would love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button. I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. Until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day.